Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make delicious ice cream. Today, I'm thrilled to show you an incredibly simple way to make homemade ice cream without any special equipment. Forget the ice cream maker. This no churn method is perfect for beginners and busy folks alike. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a creamy, delightful dessert using just a few common ingredients. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy, delicious treat. To begin, you will need just a couple of key ingredients. First, grab 2 cups of very cold, heavy whipping cream. This forms the rich, airy base of our ice cream. Next, you'll need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, which provides both sweetness and a smooth texture. For tools, a large mixing bowl and an electric mixer are truly all you need to get started on this delightful dessert. Now for the fun part, combining our ingredients. First, pour your 2 cups of cold, heavy cream into the large mixing bowl. Using your electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until it becomes thick and forms stiff peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, gently fold in the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. You can also stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or other flavorings now. Almost there. Once your mixture is well combined, pour it into a freezer-safe container, such as a loaf pan or an airtight plastic container. Make sure to cover it tightly to prevent any ice crystals from forming on top. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, or even better, let it freeze overnight for the perfect consistency. Then, simply scoop and enjoy your incredibly easy, homemade, and utterly delicious ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.